There's nothing better than freshly baked bread, and the type of bread that I like the best is the really thick, crusty bread. And to get that crust, what you need is a lot of steam. Now, this oven is perfect. All I need to do is switch it on like this and go through to steam program. Turn it on and select bread, which is right here. Press OK, and it's ready to go. All I need to do now is open the top here and add some water. That water will go down through the top here into the crucible at the bottom and create enough steam to give me a lovely crust. All I need to do is open the oven door, pop the loaf of bread in and let the oven do its work. You can see what I mean about a really crusty loaf. If you've got plenty of steam, you'll get this beautiful crust. And I'm just going to cut it open like this so you can see. Oh, that's beautiful. Nice and warm on the inside. And what I'm going to do is, of course, this is the only way to eat bread. You cut the crust off like this, grab a nice big scoop of butter and spread it over the top there like that. Now, me, I like plenty of salt with my butter, so I'm just going to add another little sprinkle. This looks fantastic. This is the way you cook bread, in an oven with plenty of steam, and this is how it turns out. Perfect.